This is the Nikon 300mm AFS lens, and so this is not the latest version. It doesn't have VR. I bought it about a year ago, used from KEH, and as far as I can tell, when I first bought it, I didn't have this squeaking issue. But now, if I try to autofocus, let me give you a demo. That's starting to make a squeaky sound, which I am not completely sure if this is a problem or it's just normal. Looking online, it says these lenses do squeak, but some sources do suggest that that may be cause of an issue. I'm not really sure. So I just want to document this and because I have maybe the actual audio level. So if I focus somewhere else, let's do it once more. There you go.